Hello, Prospervarians. The best school has come to stay in the city of Calabar. It is called Beryl International Schools. Take advantage of this opportunity now.
Tell me the best school, Beryl is the best. Tell me the best school.
Good day, children. How are you doing? You're welcome once again to another class on mathematics. And I also extend my greetings to my wonderful parents at home. Alright, today we will be looking at a very interesting topic. But before we go into the topic of today, let me bring to your mind something. As you can see, I'm holding two books, isn't it? I'm holding what? Two books. This one is bigger and larger than this one, isn't it? Yes, this book is bigger than this one, and this one is smaller than this one. Alright, this book is bigger because its size or area is bigger or more than this other one. Alright, this other one is smaller because its size or its area. Another word for size is what? Area. Its area is less than or smaller than this one. Alright, and then that leads us to our topic of today on area. We are going to look at the area or sizes of what? Shapes. But I'm using objects here. Yes, I'm using object because this object has a shape, isn't it? It has a rectangular shape, isn't it? And this also has a rectangular shape. Alright, so this book, this other larger one, is more in size or area than this other one. While this is less in size or area than this one. Alright? So now what is area, or what is the area of a shape? The area of a shape is the space the shape occupies. The area of a shape is the space the shape occupies. For example, the area of this book is the space. You will agree with me that this book occupies more space than this one. So the area of this book is the space it occupies. Yes, this occupies more space, while this occupies less space. That means the area of this book is bigger or greater than the area of this book. Alright, today we'll be looking at area of shapes. Like I said earlier, the area or size of a shape is the space the shape occupies. The area or size of a shape is the space the shape occupies. Yes, I believe you've been hearing of the word area. What is area? Alright, today we are going to look at area of shapes. And I also want to let you know that another word for area is what? Size. Another word for area is what? Size. So anytime you hear of the word area, what needs to come into your mind is what? Size, or sizes, or object, or shapes. Alright? So next we are going to carry out some practical activities on how we are going to find out areas of what? Some shapes. Alright? So alright children, we have example 1 here. And the question is, find the area of the shape below by counting the squares in the shape. Alright? We are going to find the area of this shape by counting the squares. So if you count the number of squares is the area of the shape. The number of squares that makes up this shape is the area of the shape. Alright? Okay, children, what shape is this? A rectangle. Alright? We are going to find out the area of this rectangle by counting the little squares in the rectangle. Alright, you are going to count with me. Alright, this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the area of this rectangle is what? 10 centimeters square. Alright? It's 10 centimeters square. Sorry, for your level, let's use 10 square units. 10 squares. Huh? Just like we have 10 squares here. So we are going to have 10 square, you add units. Okay? 10 square units. Alright? So that's the area of this shape. The area of the rectangle you're seeing here is what? 10 square units. Alright? So after counting, after counting you get the answer, and then you attach this square units to your answer. Alright? Now we move to example 2. The question is, what is the area of the shape below? What is the area of the shape below? Alright, to get the area of this shape, what do? Just like we counted here, you are going to count these squares, count them and know how many they are. Alright? Okay, before we count, what shape is this? Just take a look at this shape. Alright, children, what shape is this? If you said a square, you were correct. This is a square. So to get the area of this square, we need to count these tiny squares in this shape. Alright, so now let's proceed by counting. You can count with me. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me write my 8 well. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So the area of this square is what? 25 what? 25 square unit. 25 what? Square unit. Alright, we are going to use square unit for your level. When you get to grade 2, grade 3, and the other higher classes, we are going to make use of centimeters and meter. Alright? So next we are going to look at example 3. And the question there is, find the area of the shape below. Find the area of the shape below. The area of the shape below. Here is the shape. Like I told you earlier, for your level, we are not going to use formula method in finding areas. Alright? When you proceed to grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, and the other higher classes, you learn how to use the formula method. But for your level, we're going to use only the counting the squares method. Alright? So now, we are going to find the area of this shape by counting the squares there, just like we did in the previous 2 examples. Alright? So now, to get the area of this shape, we are going to count the squares here in the shape. Alright, let's count. You count with me. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So area of the shape of this shape is equal to what? 6 what? Square unit. Alright. Guess you understood or you understand what we have just done. Alright. We are going to call it a day here. But before we leave, I'm going to give you just few assignments. Alright. Here are the few assignments I have for you. Just 2 questions. The question is, find the area of the shapes below. Find the area of the shapes below. Number 1, you find the area of this shape by counting the number of squares, just like we did in the examples. And then number 2, you also find the area of this shape by counting the squares there and then writing your answer in square units. Alright, with this we come to the end of our class for today. Please stay safe, be obedient to your parents, and keep studying or reading your books. Goodbye for now.